Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Champaign County, northeastern Clark County, north central Madison County.
Oh!
At 2:30 p.m.
Hey, Madison.
At 1:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Northridge, moving at 15 miles an hour. Hazard:
First SVR today.
hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expected damage to trees and
Bruh.
power lines. Locations impacted include Springfield, Northridge, Mechanicsburg, Choctaw Lake, Harmony, Brighton, South Vienna, Catawba, Mutual, Buck Creek State Park, Powhatan, Catawba Station, Interstate 70 at State Route 56, Lemore Field, and Plumwood. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 61 and 74. You're listening to NOAA.
How?
Here is a special weather statement. Northeastern Pickaway County until 3 p.m. At 2:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over South Bloomfield, moving northeast at 15 miles an hour.
Where's my little radio?
Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor hail damage to vehicles if possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Circleville, Canal Winchester, Groveport, Asheville, South Mansfield, Wilson, Lycopolis, Trucks, East Greenville, Duval, Slate Run Metro Park, State Route 674 and State Route 188.
Funny.
Thunderstorm warning for southeastern Franklin County, Ohio, northwestern Fairfield County, north central Pickaway County, southwestern urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has a severe thunderstorm was located near Gulfport, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Hazard: 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Intact. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Location impacted include a severe thunderstorm was located near Groveport, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines. This includes the following interstate: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 97 and 123. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 102 and 111. Thunderstorm warning for southwest Ohio between mile markers 97 and 123. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 102 and 111. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ Film and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until
Yep. Hurry up.
daylight time for the following counties: Licking, Ohio.
Where's this one? Oh, it's just Fairfield? Shut up.
Central Fairfield County until 3:45 p.m. At 2:54 p.m.
I hate the 262. Or not 262.
Moving east at 10 miles an hour.
519. I hate this 519.
60 miles an hour wind gusts and
I
penny-sized
spoke
hail.
finally. Oh, look, the last words, but I just now know what to say.
Impact.
I think. I don't know.
Damage to trees and power lines. Locations and packages.
This, go here.
Lancaster, Baltimore, Millersport,
Hold on.
Pleasantville, Royalton, Thurston, Carroll, West Rushville, Fairfield County Airport, U.S. Route 22 at State Route 159, North Bern, and Dumontville. The severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Franklin, West Central Fairfield,
Bro.
and Northeastern Missouri counties will expire at 3 p.m. The storm which prompted the warning has moved out.
Up. That's why. That's why I never got a good signal. Are you good, bro?
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Huron County, Erie County, northwestern Ashland County, southwestern Lorain County until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located in Lakeland, or 9 miles east of Norwalk, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Norwalk, Wellington,
Bro.
London, Northern Milan, Wakeman, Oberlin, Love Range, Pittsfield, Greenwich, Berlin Heights, Clifton, Rochester, and Birmingham. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating.
Oh. Ha! Where's this one? Doubleheader WWG. I've never gotten a doubleheader on here, I think.
60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicator warning for Delaware County central trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Westerville, Johnstown, Sunbury, Galena, Hartford, Interstate 71 at U.S. Route 36/State Route 37, Center Village, Leonardsburg, Olive Green, and Kilbourne. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 125 and 138.
And there goes that. Tripped over it. Oh. Bro.
Southeastern Monroe County, Knox County, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:47 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Chesterville to Sunbury, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact.
Honey will die again.
Damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mount Vernon, Fredericktown, Gambier, Utica, Centerburg, Danville, Chesterville, Fargo, Waterford, Orlando, Fulton, and Dan.
Oh, this is a flash flood warning.
County, Montgomery County, until 7:15 p.m. At 4:20 p.m., radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
3D print.
Source, radar.
I'm just testing stuff.
Flash flooding of small
Testing filaments.
urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Dayton, Kettering,
It's orange now.
Bays, Beaver Creek, Huber Heights, Fairborn, Xenia, Trotwood, Miamisburg, Vandalia, Bellbrook, Moraine, Oakwood, Yellow Springs, West Carrollton, Wilberforce, Riverside, Clayton, Germantown, and New Lebanon. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. This is a flash flood warning
Oh.
for the following counties in Ohio: Holmes, Stark, and Wayne. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flash flood warning for northern Holmes County in northeastern Ohio, southwestern Stark County in northeastern Ohio, southern Wayne in northeastern Ohio until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen, with rain rates of 2 inches in 30 minutes reported.
Wow.
Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Worcester, Millersburg, Massillon, Brewster, Navarre, Shreve, Holmesville, Wilmette, Mount Eaton, Nashville, Winesburg, Apple Creek, Beach City, Fredericksburg, and Mount Hope. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Holmes, Stark, and Wayne. Urgent weather message.
I've only caught one flash flood warning on WWG ever. But anyways,